Welcome back to my channel. My name is Abies. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, you're very welcome. You're welcome to the family. If you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe right now. Subscribe because you're gonna be seeing lots of good content on this channel. So anyways guys, today I'm very happy. I'm excited. I'm always excited. It's good to be happy. Be happy. It's free. You don't need to pay for it, yeah. So I'm very happy. So I'm back with another wig review. So this is the one I'm going to be reviewing today. It's called I actually got this wig from Diva Trace. I bought this wig like a few months ago. I opened it, but I never wore it. You know when you just buy stuff, I can't even see the complete pack, but this is how I actually left it in the box. So I brought it out today. I was like, let me just review it because it's something I think is different. One of the reasons why I love synthetic hair these days is because with synthetic hair, it comes with different colors. With human hair, they always come with a natural color. You have to go color it yourself, which is really stressful. If I need a color hair, I rather go with synthetic hair. When you have a good synthetic hair, people are going to think it's the real deal. I'm very excited to wear it right now because the color is what really drew me to this hair when I saw it on the Diva Trace website, and the model that was wearing it, as you can see it right now, she rocked this hair like a pro. I hope this hair suits me like the model. Oh yes, model hair company. People are in trouble. The wig is actually from a company called Model, and the name of this wig is Lydia. So this is Lydia, guys. I'm gonna be putting on Lydia now so you guys can see what Lydia looks like. So you guys are gonna tell me now after this video. Be honest, don't lie. Just leave it in the comment section. Do you think Bob is for me or not? If you think it doesn't suit me at all, I won't even try it again. And the fact that this one is more like a wine and black, I'm so excited to try it. Normally short hair, they don't tend to tangle a lot because they are very short. When your hair is long, it tangles more. So let me just comb it out. So the hair has a little bit of closure inside, which is really nice. I love the part. I hate when you have a wig, they just sewed everything in. The part really looks nice. It makes the hair look more natural. So it doesn't have a comb, guys, but it has a strap which is inside. If you can actually put your own strap, I think that would be the best option. I never really like the strap that come with a wig like this. I think they cause headache. Guys, this is what Lydia looks like. The hair sheds a little bit. Now that I comb it, I think the tangle is gone. I can't find the tangle anymore. At the beginning, because I haven't combed it, there was a bit of tangle. So I think the hair is really nice. One thing I love about the hair, there's not too much shine. Most of the synthetic hair like this, you open them, all you're gonna see is shine, blink, blink. I don't have to put powder or anything like that. I love the fact that the front is not just covering my face, which I like. You can actually bring it down more to cover your face. I pushed it back a little bit. So I'm not used to bob. I don't know how some people manage with hair that is covering their face. For me, I can't handle that. So this part, I'm just going to add a little bit of concealer after this video or foundation just to kind of make this part more natural, matches my skin. I paid about $21. In euros, that should be about 18 euros. You think it suits me?
It's alright.
You don't like it?
It's alright.
Tom said it's alright. My husband does not really like the wig. But it doesn't matter, guys. I think if maybe I was wearing it, another kind of top would have been the best for this wig. But anyways, that's how much I paid for the wig. It's a risk I took. My husband is not really a fan of hair like this. He was like, it's okay. It's okay. That's what he said. He's not really a fan of it. So what do you guys think? I know I'm not really a big fan of bob as well, but I still decided to do the video for you. I think the hair is really nice. I think this hair is going to be nice for summer. Yeah, I know Tom is not really a big fan of it. If I decide to wear it, he's not going to say, Abby, don't wear that.
No, they look good.
I really like the hair. I think it's different, like it's short. I'm really looking forward to the summer now. I really love this color of red. I'm not really a fan of red color, but when I want to wear red, I love wine. I think it's very subtle, it's more nicer. Those bright red, I'm not a fan. It's really comfy on me. It's like you're not wearing anything. Do you think I should keep wearing wig like this, or just be honest? Even when you tell me it does not suit me, I understand. Even without you telling me, I know I prefer my straight or my coiling hair, especially my coiling hair. I think coiling hair suits me more than even straight. But this bob, I think it's okay. Sometimes good to try something different. It's not the time you stick to like short hair or long hair. Just play around with different type of hair. So that's a quick review, guys. I hope you guys like Lydia. I finally reviewed this wig for a long time. You don't tell when I buy this wig, but I keep saying tomorrow, next tomorrow. Just leave comments what you guys think about the wig. Do you think I should keep wearing short wig? So when I wear a short wig, I always feel like I'm old. Makes me look like one big auntie, big madam, yeah? The hair really looks like what is on the model, as you can see right now. I know everything was really, you know, this model when they wear it is different. It's not that different from what I saw. It's just that I need to work more on it. You can just kind of bob it more the way you like. That's it for this wig review. I hope you guys enjoy. Catch you guys again in another video. Like I always say, I love you. But do you know who loves you more? Jesus loves you more. See you. Bye bye.